Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you today, and I'm introducing what I believe and a lot of other people believe is the best online business for 2025. Now, obviously, there's some great business opportunities out there. We all know that, okay? But this is a special one for me. One, it's low cost and it's high profit potential, okay? And you're able to earn not only fast start money in terms of multiple $25 payments daily, you're also able to earn residual income with this program, okay? Now, it's called Nexus Rewards or Nexus SNAP Rewards. And we call it the world's most lucrative $10 program, okay? We've got the plan, and all you've got to do is work the plan. Why? Because the plan works. And Nexus Rewards enables you to easily make money on purchases you are already making. So make sure that you stay with me for the next couple of minutes. Share something with you really fantastic, okay? And then we're gonna get on and close this video out. All right, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I want to share this great quote. It's a power thought. It's a quote all in one by the late great Arthur Ashe. And Arthur Ashe said, "Start where you are." Okay. Use what you have. Do what you can. And if you're looking for a great online business, a home-based business, then this is definitely something that you want to take a look at, okay? Again, we're calling it the world's most lucrative $10 program. So I'm going to leave the link to what you're looking at now, this website. And I'm going to leave that in the description area of this video. And I'm going to leave some other things too. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay? All right. Okay, so I wanted to share this with you real quick. As you can see, Nexus SNAP, okay, welcome. Apps and services can make you thousands yearly. Get paid on free signups. Fast start bonuses, earn 10 plus levels of team overrides, lucrative 3x10 matrix builder, 100% check match that can 3 to 4 times your earnings, and dynamic 20% coded infinity bonus. Recommended by Terry Brown Products. That's me. And my email, coachterrybrown@gmail.com. I'm also going to leave my phone number in the description area of this video. Now, it's best to text me if you want to get in touch with me. Be glad to help you out in any way that I can, okay? So, just a couple other things and we'll close this video out. Yeah, all right. Okay, now, I believe this wholeheartedly that this is one of the best online businesses for 2025, okay? It's low cost, high profit potential, as I said earlier, okay? And Nexus Rewards enables you and myself to earn money easily on purchases that we are already making. And that just makes sense, okay? Now, we've got powerful tools that we use to market this opportunity. And this video script that I'm using is one of those tools that we use, okay? So if you look here for me, it says share company videos and share on social media platforms. Use our video scripts, okay? You can share the company videos, and then we've got advertising and marketing systems and programs that you can use as well. So guess what? It's just about getting started in this program. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to get started. And it's something that you can work on, and you can do something, 15, 20 minutes every single day. And that's part of the plan, that you do something every single day, if at all possible. Okay. And if you can't do it every day, do it every other day. You get my point, right? Okay, but check this out. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of this that you're seeing, but you can pause the video at any time and read through this. Just want a couple things here. One, this is a $9.95 business. Okay, it can replace anything that you're doing, or it can complement whatever else that you may be doing. Okay, and this is a powerful thought by Beverly Sills. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Absolutely. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Okay. Now, let's go here real quick. We have products that make you thousands of dollars in savings and cashback. And again, we've got the plan. Okay. And the plan works. You just have to work the plan. Okay. All right. Okay. Again, not going to cover every point. A couple things I want to point out, and then you can pause the video and look at this page if you desire to do so. Okay. But one of the things I do want to point out is this: a lucrative matrix that pays over $22,000 per month. Okay. Get up to 100% check match, $49 one time out of pocket, and it's $25 fast start money. Folks, you can make residual income, fast start income, immediate income, etc., etc. Okay. Also, I do want to point this out. Join my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter and get all the details there as well. Okay. And if you join join this business with me, then make sure that you sign up for the newsletter as well, because you're going to get some valuable, vital information, okay, to help you in building this business. Okay. Change your life, grow your bank account. All right. Now, the other thing I want to share, and you can tell I'm running through this, but I want to share this, is that Nexus Rewards has added an incredible travel club program. Nexus Rewards has partnered with the premier travel provider in the world to bring you the absolute best pricing for all your travel needs. Okay. So, there you have it for this video. And I want to thank you again for taking a moment in your life to check out this video. Okay. I also want to wish you a very, very happy, blessed new year for 2025. Okay. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a wonderful, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.